This video, I'm going to show you how this channel make a lot of cash just by doing tech. Just by doing tech. Bro, you can do something like this. Tech review. Tech reviews just like showing you latest gadgets, latest phones, latest technology, latest things in this day and age, in this 2024, in this 2025 that is coming up, the 2025, 2026, 2027, 2027 that is approaching. I mean, you understand me, bro? So the latest things, the gadgets, the essential things that people need, that the upgrade of life, the latest innovation. Yeah, let me just say latest innovation. So, bro, I'll show you how you can make cash with this. This channel it's called Tech Zone. Has gotten 1 billion views just by talking about tech. I've uploaded almost 1,000 videos. So, bro, they have made multiple six figures. No need to talk much. There's no need talking much. They've made multiple six figures. Take it or you leave it. Do your calculation and you see that I've made multiple six figures. These figures, I mean $100,000, $200,000. That is the range. 500,000. This 900K. Minimum. Minimum, bro. Minimum. That's the bare minimum. Get me? You get what I mean? Oh, see all these videos. Like this video has, let's go to the most popular video. Most popular video was 5 years ago. Got 19 million views. That's cash, bro. That's a lot of cash. If you see 90 million views in your channel, bro, bye bye 9 to 5, bye bye job, bye bye brokey, bye poverty, bro. Yeah, you start making fuck you money. I'm serious. Because in a niche like this of tech, the CPM is nothing less than 710. So they may easily made 80,000, 100,000 with this 200,000 with this video of 19 million views. I'm not capping, bro. I'm telling you the real truth. I'm telling you the real truth. They make a lot of dollars with this video. This video alone. No need to talk about the rest now, 92 videos. We'll talk about millions here. Hello? We'll talk about millions. You know what's millions? According to Central C, we go for M for M instead of band for band. So, bro, wake up, wake up, wake up. It's 2024. Your mates are making money. So, bro, the first step to do this is just going to Upwork. To be realistic with you, you can't do these videos alone, bro. You're going to normally you have a job, or normally you're a lazy person, so you just write tech videos. You type in tech videos, on Upwork, so they'll do it for you. Then you post it. Then 24 months from now, 36 months from now, you're making money like that channel. I'm telling you the truth, bro. Yeah, for tech and software. You pay this man $45 every hour. He could create video for you. Just hire him. He'll create all this quality content for you. Then what's your problem? 3 years from now, you can't be like this. You can't be the same. You cannot say, oh, I regret spending money for these videos, because they'll bring you thousands, if not millions of views, if not billions of views. So you gotta wake up, bro. See, yeah, all these ones you can hire all of them. Yeah, tech videos are just an example. You can look for voiceover, also the animation and all. Good quality. The video have to be 100% good quality. Quality every time on YouTube need quality. So, bro, use your brain. People that faceless people are making cash. Faceless people. You don't need to know. You don't need to show your face this day. You make money. This is like low key money. You check here on Tech Zone. You see, I've gotten 8 million views in the last 28 days. So I see how much they've made this month, from $20,000 to $60,000. That is the range I've made so far. This is a lot. We're talking about a lot. This money is life changing for 99% of people that are doing 9 to 5. It's life changing. Bro, listen to me when I do these videos. Follow my steps. Like now, go to the link in my description. Take action. Follow the two links. I promise you, you won't regret it. You will thank me later. If not, it's up to you, bro. If you want to stay 1 year from now, if you want to be the same broke kid, broke guy, broke man, it's up to you. Don't take action. Don't click the link. That's your own cup of tea. So it's up to you. Just click the link in the description. Take action. This will show you ways to make money online. Give you knowledge that people don't know. Ignorant people like your friends that are ignorant. If you want to beat your competition, just click the link in the description. See you there. As for me, I'm out.